How to hide likes you've made on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You can see all your likes by clicking on your activity. Click on your activity. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on likes, and from there you'll be able to unlike, as there is no option right now on my phone, but you can also scroll down in settings and privacy and you'll be able to see like you've made option. Click on it and then you'll find three options: allow close friends to see likes, allow people that you follow, allow everyone, and don't allow. Simply click on don't allow and you're good to go. This is not available on my device, so you can simply see I'm using the first method, simply unliking the videos. And this is how to hide likes you've made on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.